Activate OS Fleet helps with communication between job sites and equipment managers by pulling everything into a single pane of glass. And so we refer to that as the dashboard within the Activate OS Fleet system, allowing for equipment managers to go to one single spot to be able to track and monitor their fleet in real time. When an operator is out in the field, they are generally the first to know when an issue is occurring with a machine. So either through a pre-shift inspection, reporting an issue, or several other workflows that we have built out into the mobile app store, they can go ahead and submit that task and it'll automatically pop on to that equipment manager's dashboard for them to either assign out to an internal company tech, or they can also assign that out to an external third-party repair service location or dealer that they work with. What this does is eliminates a lot of that reactive approach that we see in the industry today, where we're being notified via calls and texts and emails, and it's really just notification overload, and it pulls it into one single spot for them to be able to go to one dashboard, hit assign, and have that issue resolved.